Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I'm starting a new topic in the grammar, that's conditional clauses. What's the definition of conditional clauses? Let's do it together. The conditional tense says that an action is reliant on something else. This means if something is happening, it's basically depending on something else. So this depending is shown in two parts of the sentence. One part is showing which action take place, and the second part is showing what it was depending upon. And this is called as conditional tense. This means some conditions are applied. The conditionals are used to talk about real or unreal situations. Situations may be real situations that you are talking about, or they may be unreal imaginary situations. They are also called as if clauses. If clauses means word if must be there. Real conditional describes real life situations, whereas unreal conditional sentences describe unreal imaginary situation which may not happen if it is in real condition. Okay, so real condition means real life situation, and unreal conditional sentences means you have to imagine, you have to think about some situation, some conditionals that that are not real actually in normal life. That is not going to happen. Conditional sentences are also known as if clauses or conditional clauses. Now maybe this word clauses is a different word for you. Clauses means part of the sentence, but it may be complete in its own way. Part of the sentence, but it may be complete in its own way because it has got subject and it has got verb also. Okay, so you can divide a sentence, a compound sentence, into two sentences easily. First part of the sentence can be main clause, and the second part can be the descriptive clause, or the maybe it could be conditional clause or anything. They are used to express that the action in the main clause, this means without if, the main clause which is without if can only take place, the action can only take place if a certain condition is fulfilled, which is given in clause with if. The word if must be there. Condition is given with if, okay, and the action is taking place without if. A little confusing? Okay, let's talk about it more. Conditional sentences have two clauses. Two clauses means two part of the sentences. Just put it in the simple way, two part of the sentences. First part is the condition. If it's too hot, then the result, second part, the ice cream will melt. If it's too hot, the ice cream will melt. So, two part of the sentence. Conditionals. If it rains, condition with if. Condition side, condition clause will be with if. Result with without if. Okay? If it rains, I will stay at home. If it rains, I will stay at home. If the weather is nice, if it is sunny weather, if the weather is okay, I will go to the park. Two part condition with if. If the weather is nice, I will go to the park. It may be used for warnings. For example, if we don't hurry, condition, we will miss our train. Warning, if we don't hurry, then we will miss our train. That is the result. We can also use won't. Won't is the contraction of will not. Will not in the short form will be won't. Okay? So if the company doesn't make a profit, they won't give me a bonus. negative sentence, okay? They won't give me a bonus. If I had studied harder, if I had studied previously harder, I would have passed my exams. If it rains, you get wet. Then some more examples are there, but in a different way. Main clause is there with the result, and if clause is also there with condition. If I drink coffee at night, I don't sleep well. If you freeze water, it turns into ice. Tick. If you heat water at 100 degrees, it boils. So both are both the parts are clear. I drink coffee at night, I won't sleep well. If you freeze water, it will turn into ice. Two parts are there. Main clause is not having if. Conditional clause, if clause will be having if. Let's discuss a little bit more structure. A conditional sentence is composed of two parts, if clause and main clause. We have just done it now. For example, if it rains tomorrow, we will not come. Main clause, we will not come. And if clause, if it rains tomorrow. The condition is, if it rains tomorrow, main clause, we will not come. Okay? Now, the order of these two clauses is flexible. You can put if in the beginning, means the conditional clause in the beginning, or maybe you can put it later on. You can put the main clause later on, or maybe you can put it in the beginning. It doesn't matter. It's flexible. That is not important. But if the if clause comes first, if you are putting the if clause first, then it must be followed by a comma. A comma must be there. You can see the comma. If it rains, I will stay at home. Now, if you are putting it in a different way, I will stay at home if it rains. Then, comma is not required. If you are putting the main clause first, I will stay at home if it rains, then the comma is not required. Okay? There are 4 types of conditional sentences. They are classified according to the degrees of probabilities. Probabilities means how many possibility is there that it may happen. Again, we are going towards real life and unreal situation. Okay? So, the degree they are expressing, the degree of probability, on that it is depending, all the 4 types of the conditional clauses are depending on them. Each type of conditional sentences uses different tenses to show the difference in the degree of probability. Okay, degree of probability will be changed and this will be shown through different tenses. For example, these 3 main conditional sentences are important for you right now. First conditional, second conditional and third conditional. These 3 are really important right now for you people. Okay, because in the book also only these 3 are discussed. If he misses his train, that is present tense, simple present tense. If he misses his train. Now the question may be, if you are confused a little bit, if he missed the train, no, he is singular, so you must be having S form of the verb, that is misses. Then the second part, the main clause will be in future. He will be late. He will be late. You can use contractions, means you can write in short form like he will or he'll be late. Both are okay. In second conditional, past tense is here. If my car broke down, would you help me? Would word will be there, past tense to show past tense. Over here it was will, now it would be would. Then third conditional sentence, if I had studied harder, I would have passed the exams. Okay. Now again the probabilities are changed that we are going to discuss later on when we are discussing them separately. Remember that conditionals are built by two clauses. The condition, the if clause, and the main clause, that is the result. Okay? Understood? I hope that you have understood the introduction of conditionals. Okay? Inshallah, the second video will be on conditional sentences 0. There are three main, first, second, third, but we are going to talk about 0 first. Okay? Allah Hafiz.